Before I start, if you have money, if you have money, if you have money, you can upgrade Linkcollider account and get faster results. If you upgrade your account, you will get faster results. What is Linkcollider? Linkcollider offers free social media advertising to get likes, subscribers, followers, tweet shares, blog posts, and web traffic. I was turning. It's a comment from a user. $30,000 with a 70% profit margin within only 6 months of operating business using Linkcollider. You can use Linkcollider to boost your social media ranking and to boost your website ranking, to boost everything you need. But if you use free version, it takes months, and if you use an upgraded version, it takes less than a month to get good results. Linkcollider in numbers, the users, as you see in Linkcollider, submitted websites and submitted pages and channels and YouTube channels. They have more than 1,152,065 users. They have submitted 3 million websites. They have submitted pages and channel 2 millions. As you see, this is comment from users. Everything is good. Now you have to click on get started on the right side corner up on the page. Click on get started, and here you have to register a new account. You have to register a free account. The page is loaded. I have a slow internet connection. You can register via Google, via Gmail, or you can register with a Facebook account. Register free account. Already signed up, login here. If you already signed up, login. You can register with Google or with Facebook, and I prefer to create a manual account. Add the nickname, add the email address, add the password, repeat the password or confirm the password. Click on send me newsletter and latest activities of my account. I'm not a robot. Click on I'm not a robot, just verified, and click register. I will repeat the nickname, add the email address, password, repeat the password or confirm it. Click on send me newsletter and latest activities of my account. I'm not a robot, and register. I will click on login, and I log in on my account. Now I will add my email address and password, and I go back. Now, as you see, I have 5,000 tokens, 5,000 tokens and 6. And how to gather this? Account type is free. Token cap is 5,000. Number of websites I add is 0. Max number of websites I can add is 2. Token budget is 2,000 per day. And bonus token is 2 because I'm in the level. As you see here, I'm in the level 1. Next level 79, and if I had 200 activities on my account, I will get the level 2. As you see here, collect tokens and up list, and click on Twitter, Pinterest, add the next Instagram account, Stumble Up and Mixed, WordPress, Blogger, everything you can add them. Auto surf and clicks. You can start earning coin by collect tokens, and you can submit websites by clicking on submit websites and click on personal websites. When you click on personal website, submit a site. Here the URL, add the URL in the page here, add the URL and the title and description. and description here, and here you can reward token. Here you can choose from 10 to 15. I will choose 10 and click on another robot and submit your website. It's very simple. The URL, title, short description, reward token, choose 10 or 15 for faster, and submit. For faster activity reception you can use 15, and they recommend you to use 10. Not allowed any textual content, porn or site with virus, site with forced redirect, shorten the URL. Your website will get website traffic, Facebook like, Pinterest pins, Twitter tweets, Tumblr app mixed, WordPress post, Blogger post, backlink, SEO. Click on YouTube channel to add your YouTube channel here. Submit website and click on YouTube channel, and here you can add your YouTube channel ID. Your YouTube channel will get YouTube subscribers, YouTube shares, Twitter tweets, Tumblr posts, Tumblr mix posts, WordPress posts, Blogger blogspot posts, and you can add it also Instagram page, TikTok page, Pinterest page, Twitter page, Facebook page, YouTube channel, anything you can add. Click on Linkcollider to go to the home page, like that. And here you can see in the up of the page, upgrade section, and in the upgrade section you will see the plans. Click on upgrade. I have a low internet connection, that's why I interrupt the video. Click on upgrade. When you click on upgrade you can pay via credit card or PayPal. Upgrade your account. You have premium for beginners $20, $90.99. It's $20. You can add 20 websites, 5,000 token, receive activities 20% much faster, set token budget. You have an ability to faster boost your social media for $20, and they recommend you to upgrade premium for amount with $20. For small business $79.99 is $18. You can pay via credit card. Click on upgrade now and pay, and proceed to the payment method, and after that you will see that your account is upgraded and you can work unlimited on your account. You have the gold $14, $39.99, it's $14, and the gold for 6 months with $114. It's $139, but it's $114. And you see here buy tokens, $10 for 10,000 tokens, 30,000 token for $20, 85,000 token for $50, 145,000 token for $17. You can pay via PayPal or via MasterCard, Visa, American Express or Discover. It's a very good idea to boost your social media and there earn money. Also you can earn money on LC links or Linkcollider short links. For every 500 unique person you can earn $1 for every 500 unique person. People that visit your shortened URL, you will get a $1 commission. Any commission you make will be automatically sent to your PayPal account. $1 per 1,500 visits to your PayPal account directly. Every 500 unique person, and you will get $1. How do I get paid? Any commission make. Here, enter your URL. I will show you how to create a URL shortener. Here I will just add my website markprovantcat.com and shorten and earn, and the link is shortened. This is the shortened link. Copy and paste it on a new window, and you will see that a message will appear here redirecting now. Please wait, and you can see that one. Click here, click here, and you will be redirected to your address, and you will earn money. This is my website. Close that window, and this is my website on a new page. That's all. 500 views equal $1. That's all for today. That's how to earn money from LC links also. It's a good website. I advise you to upgrade your account. Thank you for watching, and see you in next video about Linkcollider. Very useful tool for sharing long URLs, simply, fast and easy, and make money from that tool.